Next stop, EC Manning Park. Hell yeah!
Okay, there's a grocery store in 20 minutes. I think we should go to that one because I don't see another one for a while. Okay, we'll go. Yeah, we'll go to save on foods. So it's a grocery store. We would like to save on some food, so
I love saving on foods.
it's in. There's only 2 ratings, but they're both 100%.
Okay, perfect.
Wow, switch the camera around. I will. I'll stick it this video.
Oh my god, don't drop my phone.
I will never go drop my phone. The wind is kind of crazy.
I'm so nervous. I see your hand out the window like this.
I got you. No faith in me, man.
I want to see the video so much.
It does not look it.
It's probably so shaky.
Oh. Save on foods.
Hello.
Hello.
Should we shop?
Look at the views.
So
Get the background in it. 0.5.
nuts, cheese. Oh, dressing. Sandwich bag.
$100 for 3 days. Not bad. Where is it bad? I can't tell.
$100.
Cheers. This is so nice, Holly.
I know. Where am I? Oh, they're over there.
The $1.50, whatever, $2 mittens we got. They're perfect. Inside the lining, there's like an individual finger lining, which is unheard of.
Wait, can you read from that?
Kind of matches the eye color. Wait, come close. Does it not? Yeah. Let's go. Let's do this. We have arrived. We have arrived at our campsite.
We need to find firewood.
Yeah. Campsite number 92.
This seems like inappropriate. Way too cold.
It's much colder than we
Anticipated. Oh, the sun's not even down yet.
Okay, we need firewood.
We need firewood.
ASAP. Oh, but the air smells really good, Holly. Oh my god, that's fucking... Yeah, it's cold. It's cold up in this piece.
It's like way colder than I thought it would be.
Yes, we bumped into a guy.
Yeah,
Very nice guy.
very nice guy.
His name's Mike.
Hey, Mike. Mike's coming to our campsite to bring us some firewood in exchange for cash.
No, he said no cash, but we're gonna offer.
Yeah,
of
for sure.
course. Like he said, don't worry about it. But
So we need to go put more layers on.
yeah,
So see you after. Oh, that's so much better with the layers.
We are now changed. We had all the intention to go for like a couple hour moderate hike today, but it is so cold, and we actually ended up getting here a little later than we thought. So we're gonna set up our beds now while it's still bright out, and cook eat? I don't know. We'll figure it
Yeah,
out.
probably eat.
Yeah.
Vlogging. Is it okay if you're in the vlog?
Oh yeah, totally.
Mike is here.
I am.
In our previous vlog, we mentioned your name, so.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, thank you so much.
Campfire. Wood.
Thank you so
Mark.
much. Have a great day. Thank you. Mike pulled through.
Yes. Okay. Sweet.
Hell yeah.
We just need a fire starter. We'll ask somebody else for that.
Yeah. We came so unprepared.
But we just bought this, so this is our base layer.
Yeah,
Like-
sleeping bag from Decathlon.
Yeah. Okay. Then we topped it with this. We have another blanket we'll probably be using because it will be cold.
Probably, yeah.
Cute little fairy lights, as you
Yeah.
can see on the inside.
It'll be much cuter
for
later
the
at night, but
nighttime. Just a bed set up for the night.
perfect. And we were able to finesse
Firewood.
and
Fire starter.
and
some
cardboard boxes.
for a fire. No.
I mean, we just walked up and asked nicely, and you know, people are nice.
You cornered them.
People are nice when you ask nicely. What are we doing now?
I'm just setting this up so that once we are back from our walk, we can just get it started.
Yeah,
How cute does that look?
that's right. That looks very cute.
There's like a bunch of like little pieces of wood
Yeah, let's go pick them
over
up.
there.
Yeah.
Let's go pick them up.
You know those like dogs that bring like trees home? I feel like one of those dogs right now. I feel so proud of myself.
Look
Providing
at
for the
you.
family.
You're providing.
I'm a provider.
You're a provider for the fire.
So we're trying to decide what we're gonna do tomorrow, like which trail, basically. And there's this frosty mountain that's 20 kilometers. We can do that.
Yeah.
The really hard one that takes 8 hours.
We should do that.
We should do that, like, cause that's the one that's coming up every time you look up.
We should do it.
Yeah,
If we're leaving early anyways,
yeah, and that's 8 hours. But if we leave at like 6 a.m., we'll be back before I know it.
we'll be back. Look how calm. This is the perfect time to whale watch.
Really? Is it a good place to watch the sunset?
I would be so satisfied with my life if I died tomorrow after seeing this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is nothing. Tomorrow we're gonna be up there or there or there. I don't know where we're going, but directionally challenged. But you know what I mean, like one of those on top of the hill.
We'll either be this one or this one or this one.
Or yeah, they can cook out here.
Solid. Yeah. Thick chunk of wood.
The picnic tables look much nicer than the ones in Toronto or Ontario.
Okay, should we walk on? Trust me.
Oh my god, that's good.
Oh my gosh, Gio.
Look how clear it is, though.
It's so clear. It's so cool, but it looks so clean. I feel like
So what's for dinner? Okay, let's put the fire first.
right?
Blanking hard.
Salad, corn, more salad, hot dogs, veggies.
Veggies.
Yeah,
We're good. Got lots to eat.
cheese. We should put this extra cheese on.
Pennies. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Fire first?
Fire first.
I'm gonna reheat some of my leftovers from breakfast today while Holly is working on the fire. Holly, the fire looks good. Did a great job. It's such a vibe. Put your light on.
It's such a vibe.
Oh my god, it does help. Holly, a good purchase. $6.
Good
That's
purchase.
$6 I've ever spent in my life.
Wow.
The fire. The
Fire
food.
looks good. The food is good.
Life is so good.
Give me some hash.
Yeah, go for it.
Give me some hash.
We got the hot dogs going on too.
The hash.
So good warmed up.
The hash is so good.
I can't believe I almost ate that cold.
Oh
my
my god.
Right? I told
That
you.
was so good.
Like, it's popping.
So good.
I know, it's so juicy, right?
I want this in my mouth at the same time.
I got my sourdough So good.
Oh my god.
And you got more dogs.
Ooh, they look good though. Look at them.
Mm-hmm.
Flip them over.
Yeah.
Fire dogs.
It's really good. It really is.
It really is.
Get more dogs.
Getting more dogs. Right now.
All right.
Great. Yeah.
Yeah.
What you got?
Yum.
Yum.
Little ballerina.
My feet are cold. They're wet. My socks are wet. I smell something burning. my socks burning.
Let me see.
That's a good looking fire.
What is this?
I don't know.
cake
Wait, what
thing.
even is it?
It's a Swiss roll cake.
Swiss roll cake. It honestly like changed my whole life. I'm gonna get them all the time now.
Changed your whole life.
Yes.
It is so good, isn't it?
It is so good.
The fire is going really, really strong. And we're about to make something revolutionary.
PB and JB.
PBJB.
PBJB.
Peanut butter, jelly, and bananas.
Ooh, what are we making now?
Escape, man.
It's okay. We've lost more
We've
hot dogs soldier. Is it burning hot?
It's okay. It'll be good. It'll be gooey and yummy. It'll be yummy and
Whoa.
gooey. Yeah?
Honestly,
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be good.
It's good. It's the tortilla is sun-dried tomatoes.
So it's a really weird flavor.
So it's a little odd. Peanut butter is like melted.
It's so good. Actually, it could be better. Other than the tomato taste, but
All right, we're gonna end the vlog right here. Good night.
good night. Good night.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Day 2.
It's so cold out here. Look at this.
Can see.
Oh, really?
But yeah, it is cold out here.
Yeah. It's
We don't have cell signals, but we assume it's like negative like 25 degrees. We're doing the dishes,
Taking out the trash.
taking the trash out. Did you sleep well, Holly?
I sleep like a rock, Gio. Did you sleep well?
It was cold. Wash the dishes. Teeth, face washed, brushed. We're good to go. We're good to go. Make breakfast, pack our bag for hiking, and start walking, I guess. No.
The table is frosted.
For breakfast this morning, we're gonna have some cup noodles, quick and easy and hot and warm to warm our bodies. And Holly here is making our hiking lunch. Rear control? You don't need anything in the rear. Fuck that. Turn it off in the rear. It's just this.
Yeah. Just want it coming from everywhere. It's not coming from okay. Do this instead.
We made 2 more of these. So we're
For
gonna
a
eat.
hike? Is this one too much? The one we're gonna do?
8 hours. What time is it right now? 9.
9.
When we start, it's gonna be 10. And by the time we're done, it's gonna be like, it's 8 to 9 hours. Maybe like 6, 7 p.m. We have to go to that campsite.
I'm just thinking, while we're here, I feel like this is gonna be way more worth it than this.
I agree. I agree as
But
well.
I'm just also nervous about time. But is it really so bad if we arrive super late to Golden Years?
No, honestly, we could eat like on the way. Like stop by like a restaurant, McDonald's, and eat there.
Yeah.
And then, but you know what though?
We just won't have a fire. I think we could do it if we leave now.
Okay,
Should we do it?
I think we should do it.
Because I think it's gonna be worth it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I want to do it.
Yes! Let's do it! Okay. Where do I go then?
They use area.
I'm down.
Yeah, let's do
Either
that.
way.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
We'll see you at the start of the trail.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.